Bodie, how you doing there, buddy? Bowden's driving the tractor and the trailer. What? No, you keep going. Follow the trail, bud. He's being pretty precise about his driving. Yeah, there's a deer stand. Keep going, Bodie. Okay. Slow as a mud turtle, but that's all right. Well, at least be safe. He's got his seatbelt on. He's ready to rock. Driving the Kubota. Nice turn. Good work. Don't put us in the pokies. Watch what you're doing. Ah, he's putting me in the pokies. Straighten her out there, Turbo. Ah! Hey, you gotta learn somehow. Good work.